And welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook email stuck in Outbox and can't send message. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your email is not sending, so guys, first of all check your internet connection. Open your Outlook and look at the bottom right and ensure it show connected and working. Okay, so if you're using the web, so you try to refresh it once to verify your internet connection. Second thing is guys, open and resend the mail. So guys, you just go to the draft and just again open the mail and try to resend it. Okay, still having the issue? So guys, you try to remove large attachment. It is the common causes. Large file can block sendings and sometimes it take too much time and stuck between the sending process. Okay, so you try to stop it and reduce the file size and recommend attach the size under only 20 MBs. Okay, then guys, you delete and recreate mail. So guys, you also delete the mail. Just go to the draft and right click on it and just click on delete and okay, and you delete and resend your email. And guys, you also try to restart and refresh your Outlook. For this, simply click on the option of refresh and restart. Still having the issue? So guys, you create a new Outlook profile and click on the option of mail and try to log in it again and send to your mail again. And last thing is guys, you try to use incognito mode. So just click here, click the option of new private window. Here you simply search Outlook and login and try to send your mail. Sometimes the catches create such type of issues. If it is sent, then okay. And last thing is you try to catch clear caches. For clear caches, just go to the settings, then guys go to the option of history. Here you check in the history section, delete browsing data. Here you select cookies and other site data, so just mark and delete it. So these are the basic things that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.